Hey y'all, so I'm back with a review and demo of the L'Oreal Elvive or Elvive Extraordinary Oil, which I received from Influenster for free, but you can get it at Target or on Amazon, and I will be demonstrating it on my natural hair as well as a wig that I bought a while ago, but I just want to see if this oil will help to revive it, as the main claim of this item is to revive damaged hair. So here I am cutting into the box that I got. I just had to film this as soon as I got it. So it came in a nice, clean, polished black box that says Revival for Damaged Hair. And it says that it is a lightweight oil and it instantly transforms dry hair into nourished, silky, and shiny. And they say you could use it in many different ways. You could use it before shampooing, before styling. You could use it to calm your frizz and your flyaways. Or you could use it to add a finishing touch of softness and shine. And you apply it using 2 drops between the palms of your hands. But I say be as liberal as you deem fit. And then apply it through the lengths to the ends of your dry or wet hair. Now the key ingredients here are camellia and sunflower oils, and these are really good to help promote hair growth. And camellia flower oil is packed with oleic acids, which is really good for your skin as well as your hair. It helps to retain moisture and it conditions the hair shaft, which in the end will encourage growth of healthy hair. And here they're telling you thank you for being one of the first few to try the new and improved Elvive product. So here is my wig all frizzy, and I don't know how to describe it. So I'm gonna take the oil and I'm gonna get a clean bottle. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna mix it with some water. And I'm gonna shake it up and it becomes this kind of emulsion. And I'm gonna add that into a little spray bottle and spray it into the hair itself. And it looks pretty good right there. And I'm gonna leave that aside and I'm gonna try to complete this look using L'Oreal products. Since we're on the L'Oreal page, why not stick there? So right now I'm using L'Oreal Paris's True Match Super Blendable Foundation in Deep Cool C9 on the perimeter of my face only, because I am running low on that particular product and I don't want to use too much of it. So in the end, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Paris's True Match in Deep Golden W10, which isn't really my shade, but I just have more of it than the C9, so I'm gonna use that in the center of my face. It's a little too yellow for me, but it still works because it's super blendable as it claims to be. And right now I'm taking ColourPop's Precision Brow Pencil in black and brown. It has nice 2 ends with the brush and the pencil. And now I'm gonna take LA Colors Mineral Press Powder in Mocha as an eyeshadow. This is just a quick look, nothing fancy. Trying to keep it in the L family, but we'll see. Right now this is LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black. And then we're gonna move along to L'Oreal Paris's Telescopic Mascara in black. I don't think it comes in any other color. We will move along to ColourPop's, I think this is the Take Me Away palette. I'm not sure, I'm probably gonna insert a text if it's not. And I'm using the shimmer shade right there. And then this is the LA Colors Lip Duo in Charm. It's a sheer pink gloss with flecks of, I would say, yellow, pink, and purple in it. It's pretty nice. I got this from Dollar Tree, and it was $1, as you would expect from Dollar Tree. So right now I've left the wig alone for about half an hour. It's dried down. It smells amazing, and I'm taking that same mixture and putting it on the front, the ends right there, and it looks pretty darn good. All the frizz that I had before, it has calmed down. And right now, don't judge me, I'm gonna take down my natural hair, and I took it down with the oil actually, and I combed it out with a white tooth comb. And right now I'm just adding some more oil to the perimeter and all up in there. I really gotta tell you guys, this product works really nice. It really does add silkiness to your hair and shine. And right now I'm just putting it inside, some more inside actually, and I'm gonna massage it into the scalp. And I'm also gonna comb out my hair once again with the pick comb, and it really did, this oil really did help to make my hair more manageable and soft and shiny. And actually my hair doesn't have any other product in it, even though I did deep condition it the week before. So there you can see the nice shininess as it reflects in the light. Taking a big toothbrush and just brushing my ends. I'm not gonna use any edge control, no other product, no gel, nothing, just because my hair is 4C and those kind of things usually don't work in my favor. So I'm just leaving it as natural as possible, just using the Elvive Extraordinary Oil, and I'm using the stocking method. Is it the stocking method? I don't even know if that's what you call it. There we have it. That's my hair right there. I must say this product did live up to what it said it would. I just used it one time and my hair definitely felt different. So thank you guys for watching this far, and thank you to Influenster for sending me this product, and I will leave below how you can join Influencer for yourself to get items for free. So please like this video and comment and subscribe to my channel, as I will be doing more videos this year. So pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Bye.